Hi, welcome back. I posted a video, I think it was maybe last year or the year before, and it continuously gets views. And it's the one showing how to make a handbag using circles of fabric. And there are two different versions of this, and one in particular is very popular right now, and it's called the Tulip bag. So I'm going to be doing that style, and also the old style. I wanted to show you how to do it. And also I get a lot of questions, how big is the circle? And actually with this pattern, there is no right size, or you can do it any size you want. Actually, here is a little one that I made, and I just traced a circle with a saucer, and I have to finish this up still. And this is going to be for the granddaughters for their dolls. So you can make these any size you want using whatever size circle. I cut my pieces out already. We need stabilizer, the main color, and the lining. So after cutting it in half, we want to put the bottom part of the handbag. And I wanted my base to be 2 inches wide. So I've marked the middle here, and I'm going to place it like this, because we don't want that seam being on the outside. I want my this color being on the outside. So if you're not sure, especially like with whatever size you're making your circle, if you're not sure how long to make this strip, I went with what I want the width for to be, how wide I wanted the base of the bag to be, which is about 2 inches. And the length, I measured half the length of the circle. And but if it needs to be adjusted, I always just stitch one side and then go around like this. And we know that there's room on that side for this. It depends on how much you want this to overlap. Now it'll look something like this. And I'm going to be folding in each side. So it'll look like this at the bottom. And we're going to sew each side up. I'm just going to sew some binding around the bottom seam here. Now we want to sew the sides down after we've done that. And I'm just going to pin them in place. Now that we have it all sewn together, all we have left to do are the straps. And strap length, again, any length you want them to be. I think I'm going to be, since I just made a small one to show how to make this, I think I'll just put it, give it to one of my granddaughters to have. And so I'm just going to make a short straps. Now that I have this sewn together, I'm just going to flip it inside out. And I'm going to sew right across the bottom. And then each side, pin that. And I'm going to mark a 2-inch bottom. It depends on how wide you want your bottom. With the base, I'm going to make a 2-inch base. 2-inch wide base. And I'm just going to sew those up. Sew the sides. I'm just going to trim the corners. And then to finish up these seams, get some binding to sew up each side here. The bags are finished, and yeah, they're very simple and quick to sew up. You can use any size circle. These two actually started off the same size, but with the different methods, they come out different sizes. I really like the contrasting bottom on this one. This one here is so cute. This one I used a saucer so it started off pretty small, and this is perfect for the American Girls to size dolls, all the 18-inch dolls. My granddaughters are going to love this for their dolls. Can't wait for you to see the next video I'm working on. I am so excited to get it out soon. It is such a unique project. So if you haven't yet subscribed yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.